have you ever faced this kind of scenario where you're not able to see anything on your screen? Or something like this where you're not able to see your quick access toolbar? Or maybe you're not able to see your formula bar. So do you know how to tackle these situations? So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So welcome back to my channel Excel Online Advisor, where we share Excel tips and tricks. So let's say you're not able to see your formula bar. In this situation, you need to head towards this view tab and you can see this formula bar. You just need to check it and you will be able to see the formula bar. Now there is no shortcut for this, but if you're using your keyboard, then you can press Alt W V F to hide or unhide this formula bar. In Microsoft Excel, this is called Quick Access Toolbar. So someday if you're not able to see this particular tab, what you need to do, just press Control with F1 and you will have your toolbar back. You can use the same shortcut Control F1 to hide it again. Now, someday, if you find yourself in this situation where your Excel gets maximized and you're not having any options at the top, so just remember Control, Shift, and F1. If you're going to press these three keys together, you will have your screen back. With the help of this shortcut, you can maximize your Excel screen. I believe you must learn something new today. If that's the case, give me a like and let me know in the comment section if you want to learn something new. Thank you.